Welcome back, it's Ala. Welcome to my vlog. Today's vlog is gonna be crazy because I have actually so many countries in there. Because we were on a cruise, we went to Palma de Mallorca, we went to Montserrat, which is Spain. It's like a little kind of village, which I had no idea about, but we loved it. It was beautiful, so many mountains. Then we went to Florence, to Pisa. So kind of just put everything in there, and I realized I didn't film that much at all. I always feel like I'm filming a lot because I have to film, you know, for vlogs, for Instagram, for Facebook, for my personal stuff. And so I don't know how much I exactly film because I'm not doing it like, you know, 24/7. Like I like to enjoy where I am. I like to be present and not use my phone as much at all. Me and Johnny both actually don't use our phones much. We're very present, which is amazing. But I really hope you enjoyed this video. It's like little clips of everywhere we've been to, and you will probably really like it. So you're gonna let me know, where have you been, if you have been to any of these places, and what you thought. One of the most important things though that's happening right now in my life is that we're about to do my free masterclass on cheesecakes. It's completely free. It's a free webinar live with me. We're gonna spend 2 to 3 hours together. We're gonna make a beautiful cinnamon bun cheesecake together from scratch. So then you can really wow all your friends, your family. And of course, if you love the cheesecakes, then I would invite you to my 12-week cheesecake journey, which is insane. The ultimate cheesecake course. But this webinar is completely free. So if you want to come, you need to put your name and your email address down below in the form. If you don't do that, you won't get the link to the webinar. So this is very important that you actually register. It doesn't cost you anything. It's completely free. All you need to do is just get on, bring your good energy, your cup of tea and coffee, and bake with me, or just watch me bake and then do it after the webinar. So
but we do get beautiful views into the valley here.
The giants are giant and the legs are always tiny. It looks like they're skipping leg day.
we are trying this traditional sugar bread. I'm about to try the milk liqueur, Montserrat. Here we got some traditional, it's like a cottage cheese with honey, but like very plain. And what else did we get?
Mini cheesecake.
Mini
Catalonian cheesecake.
All Catalonian produced, and we got cheeses.
In Montserrat.
Yeah, let's try this. So it's actually very like thick, like on the thicker side. Thanks my cameraman. Well, honey on my chin, great.
It's about right. Happens often.
Yeah, it's really weird consistency. It's like cottage cheese with no flavor, but then it's got honey on it, which adds the flavor.
Yeah, there we go. Very tasty.
Now we're gonna try the mini Catalonian cheesecake. Go on, you try it first.
Okay.
Oh, that looks nothing what I thought it would look like. It's kind of like a very dry consistency inside.
Very cheesy.
But not goat's cheese. Yeah. Oh, it's not bad.
It's that thing. It's a baked version of the thing we just tried.
Yeah, okay. And some added spices like cinnamon. It's interesting. Not the cheesecake. That'd be my favorite, I guess.
It's a big goatee.
Because I know this is going to be their place.
We're in the castle, about to have some tapas.
Yeah, well, they've switched out a few things because
About to try some tapas.
Wine in the castle.
Wine in the castle and tapas.
Look at the castle.
This room is cool, isn't it?
This is the winery. Very pretty here. So we had a couple of glasses of wine. Johnny's out of control.
Like up on top of a castle.
Yep. Very pretty.
Very.
So we're in Barcelona, and these are the peaks that we were just visiting. I don't know.
Serrated mountain.
Was it Montserrat?
Montserrat.
And yeah, the wine was okay, wasn't it? It wasn't like...
Spanish wine, not the best.
I don't know if
Spanish
it's...
food, not the best.
Apparently Johnny doesn't like it.
French. I agree with the French on this.
Well, yeah, so it was a nice tour. And we're gonna head back now. Bye-bye Spain, I guess.
Now let's drunk.
What? No. Hola, mi amor.
Ciao.
Ciao, that's Italian.
Ciao, bella.
We've got Spanish music, our tourist American. Our last tapas bar, we did a wine and tapas bar. Look at all this food. We haven't tried, but we got the burrata salad. Oh, it was, we're in Palma de Mallorca. It was a bit intense today. As you can see, I'm sweating. It's like super sweaty and steamy today because I think it's gonna rain. So yeah, crazy. But we're tired. Oh, and we got a whole bag of pastries to try. Some traditional pumpkin stuff, which sounds interesting, not my favorite, but we're gonna try.
Elevator bar.
Elevator bar.
Jazz.
Going up.
So cool.
Oh yeah, I can taste it.
Don't worry.
Yeah.
It was very tasty.
We are in Florence.
Florence.
Ah, non trovi il tavolo?
Cheers.
Here we are at the Pisa Tower.
Leaning Tower of Pisa.
Leaning Tower. Very rainy, late, crazy day for us. We went to Florence earlier. Did you like Florence?
Yeah, that was cool.
And now I'm in Pisa. It's like, it's a lot of things in a very short time. Woo.
First carousel on a ship, which is a bit crazy. Loves roller coasters.